There's all the animals. There's all the animals. There's all the animals. Be nice, Bryce. The alpaca? Don't get back. No, Bryce. That thing's way bigger than you. Look at this kid. Get back from him. It's all right, Mr. Alpaca. You're all right. Watch out, Bryce. It's all muddy. Do not even step over there. Stay right here. Do you see that mud pit over there? That is terrible. We're not going to go in that. Hit that subscribe button. Got the little babies. We got all 3 goats on the board. They think we're about to feed them. I think it's feed time for y'all. You're hungry, aren't you? Hungry goats? Oh, we got the alpaca over here just eating away. Oh, what was that? What'd you say? You hungry? What? Like and subscribe? Tell them.
Like and subscribe.
Say it, rat boy.
Like and subscribe.
What about you, Mr. Goat? You're not moving over. That's why I'm not going. Got the animals caged in. It's all muddy. Get out of there. Watch out, rat boy. Say, that's the mud pit. No, do not. Oh, no. Come back now. Come back now. It's too muddy. Oh, there's a new goat. And they're bringing in that one on a leash. Oh, wow. Look at this horse. You want to be petted? Does the horse want to be petted? Feeding time for the little guys. Nom nom. Please like and subscribe. Hungry animals. Surprised Mr. Alpaca's letting me get this close. Feed them. Alpaca, what are you doing in over there?
We're doing over there.
Are you eating goodies?
Goodies? Yeah. No, you.
Huh? Got the goat.
Girl.
Oh, I got the girl.